If you want to turn off notifications on PhonePe quickly, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your notification settings efficiently. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your smartphone by tapping its icon. Step 2. Access settings. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the settings. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. In the settings menu, find the notifications section. This is where you can manage all notification preferences for the app. Step 4. Disable notifications. In the notifications section, you will see various options for different types of notifications. Toggle off the notifications you wish to disable. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your notification preferences, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings to return to the main app interface. Now you have successfully turned off notifications on PhonePe. Enjoy a more peaceful experience without interruptions.